This is glutinous rice. I have to cook something. Not in common. I will use not my non-sticky pot. 2 cups of glutinous rice. I used to wash it 2 times. Half cup brown sugar. Put it in. See? 1 can coconut milk. Okay, started. I have to start it, and then we keep this until boiling. Start to boiling. We will wait until the coconut milk is melty. Now the coconut milk is melty. We have to put the lid cover on it until boiling. Now it start to boiling, so we mix it well, the coconut milk and the sugar. Look at that, the sugar is already brown. Okay, so this is the glutinous rice already. We have to wait until the coconut milk is not what is this? See, I think it's not enough the coconut milk. Let us see. In a few minutes, let us see. Because the glutinous rice is not yet soft. I think it's not cooked already, half cooked only. Yeah, it's half cooked only. We'll see. It smells good. And then now we add 2 cups of water. So let me check it. Uy, lovely. See? The coconut milk is getting oil already. So we keep it like that. See? It's cooked already. Good job. This is the good thing if you have a non-sticky pot. See, whatever you cook, it's not sticky. See? Look at this. Oh, I love it. Okay, we keep it like that until it's totally cooked the glutinous rice. We add vanilla sugar. This is it. I have to make caramel. Okay, coconut milk caramel. I have to cook it. 1.5 brown sugar, 2 vanilla sugar, coconut milk. This is the caramel. Still boiling. Still boiling. So in a few minutes it's done, the caramel. Okay. Okay, it's done, the caramel. See? So I put in the caramel now. Ooh. Okay. See? Yes. And then I will bake it. Bake is on. Okay. Ito na siya. Oh, ayan. Oh. Ayan na siya. Oh. Yes, this is it. Caramelized glutinous rice. See? So this is it. See? This is the moment of truth. Caramelized glutinous rice. Okay, subscribe my channel. Give like, share, hit the bell for my notification, and leave a comment below. See you on premiere. So, ayan na ang aking caramelized glutinous rice. This is my caramelized glutinous rice. Okay. See you.